Welcome again, and we are today in the new video. And as all the viewers know, we are continue in the series of the rig equipment. So today also in this video, we will learn some drilling rig equipments, their functions. And today's the part 6 of the series of the rig equipment and day 11. So welcome all. And today our topics are following. Number 1, tongs, then slips, air hoist or air tugger or air winch. There are 3 names, but this all is one equipment. BOP, blowout preventer, substructure, conductor casing, drill string, drill bit, BHA stands for bottom hole assembly, and the stand. These all are the rig equipments. So one by one, we will see their pictures and their definitions. In my earlier videos, I made 2 or 3 videos in which I have shown all the locations of this specific equipments, where the BOP is installed, where the slip is installed, where is the tong, where is the conductor casing, where is the drill bit is located in a rig. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comments, and I will share those videos link in the description, so that you can go to that link and open that video, and you can see that video, and you can have a great and very comprehensive information and idea that all these rig equipment locations in the rig, where this specific equipment is located in a rig. So let's start the session. So our number 1 topic is tongs. Tongs is a kind of equipment. It is either operated or powered by pneumatic or hydraulic. So it's a very dangerous equipment. If not used safely, then it can lead to a deadly adverse situation. So we will see, this is an image of the tong. Okay, we will see what is the tong and what is the definition of tong. The large wrenches used for turning when making up and breaking out the drill pipe. When we make the connection of the drill pipes, or when we remove or loosen the breaking the connection of the drill pipe, that time this tong is used, as it's telling very clearly. The large wrenches used for turning, or you can say the torquing or turning or spinning when making up or breaking out the drill pipe, casing and tubing, even in other kinds of pipes also. Power tongs are pneumatically or hydraulically operated tools that spin the pipe up and in some instances apply the final makeup torque. Tongs used during the breakout or loosening, either the breakout or loosening, both the same meaning, operations are logically called the breakout tongs. So the tongs which are used in the breakout or loosening operation, that tong is called the breakout tong, while those used during the makeup or tightening operations are called the make-up tongs. There are 2 kinds of tongs in the rig floor. One is make-up tongs and second is breakout tongs. Always the upper one is the make-up tong and the lower one is breakout tong. And always the tong should be used in a pairs. Okay, they give torque to the drill pipe, tubing and casing. Self-locking wrenches used to grip drill string components and apply torque. Okay, so it means it's kind of tool that is operated by or powered by either pneumatically or hydraulically, and that is used to make the joint of the pipe or disconnect the drill pipe, even the drill pipe and the casing and even the tubing. And always remember that always the tong is used in the pairs. Now the slips. This is an image of a slip here, the individual. This is the handle, and inside this there is a teeth which grips the drill pipe or drill string. Okay, this is the drill string we have, and this is the an image of slip. Slip is inserted inside this hole, the well bore, okay, to grip the drill string whenever the crew member, the rig crew member has to unscrew the drill string, okay, so that the drill string could not fall under the hole, okay, and it should be suspended on the rotary table. That's why this slip is used in the rotary table to hold the drill string. So let's see the definition. What is slip? Wedge-shaped pieces of metal with teeth. It has inside the teeth, as I said, which grips the drill string or the drill pipe, which does not let fall the drill string down to the well. Wedge-shaped pieces of metal with teeth or other gripping elements, okay, that are used to prevent drill string from slipping down into the hole or to hold pipe in the place, and slip is inserted in the master bushing, and master bushing is in the here in the rotary table, okay, in the rotary table. Master bushing, Kelly bushing, in order to keep the string not to fall, as I said, not to fall in the hole while making connection. The rig crew can unscrew the upper portion of the drill string, Kelly severed sub and joint or stand of pipe, while the lower part is suspended. Okay, this lower part is suspended. After some other component is screwed onto the lower part of the drill string, the driller raises the drill string to unlock the gripping action of the slips, and rig crew removes the slips from the rotary. For drill pipe, drill collar, and the casing, they have their own slips. Not only one slip is used, there is separate slip for the drill collar, for the casing, and for the drill pipe. And if the size is different of the casing, so the size of the slip will be also different. Now, air hoist. Air hoist, also said the air tugger or air winch. Okay, this is the image. This is the yellow one. The yellow one is the air hoist, and somebody say it air winch, and somebody says air tugger. There are three names, but it's a one equipment. An air hoist is a device that uses compressed air. So it is run by the compressed air, okay, it means pneumatic energy from air to raise, and it is used in the workplace to raise and lower the items, okay. An air hoist, also known as air winch or air tugger, is a lifting and pulling device that uses compressed air to power a pneumatic motor. The motor rotates the drum, which in turn moves the winch, allowing it to lift and move the heavy loads vertically or horizontally using a cable or wire rope. Okay, this is the cable or wire rope. So it's a kind of the lifting machinery which is run by the air, so it does not contain any kind of hazard if it is used in a flammable atmosphere. So that's why it is used in the rig, because it does not produce a spark or heat. And even in a chemical plants and paint manufacturing unit in other hazardous atmosphere location, this air hoist is used because it has a great feature of safety. It is run by the air. It does not run by any kind of fluid, diesel, oil. It is run by the air, so it does not produce heat or sparks. So it's a very good equipment. It is, and it's a kind of lifting equipment to lift and transport and lower the equipments in the rig. Yeah, BOP. BOP stands for blowout preventer. This is the image. Now I am giving you the brief introduction and the definition of each equipment. Okay, when this series will be finished of all the equipments of the rig, we will hopefully and definitely, maybe definitely, we will start the other videos, other sessions in which I will explain and I will give the more information about a particular equipment, so that it's a learning start, actually start of the learning phase for everyone. So if I will give all the things at the first time, it will not be easy to understand for a learner, actually. So first we will understand what is the rig, what are the multiple equipments in the rig, where are those located, what are the functions, and what are the definitions of those specific and individual rig equipment. And the other videos, the next videos, we will learn in details about the BOP and all the equipments of the rig, and as well as a safety officer, what the things you should consider, what the observations you have to make which does not meet with the safety standard, and you have to correctify, you have to advise the site personnel, rig crew to apply the control measure. Okay, so let's just start the definition of the BOP. BOP, blowout preventer. BOP stands for blowout preventer, which is a group of high pressure safety valves and other devices that are installed on the top of the wellhead. This BOP is installed on the top of the wellhead, which stops the blowout. Blowout means uncontrolled release of crude oil and natural gas from a well or from a wellbore. Okay, so it's a safety equipment. Okay. The next is substructure. This area is called the substructure, the below area from the, this is the rig floor, below the rig floor, this area is called, this entire structure, actually this area and this structure, okay, it's called, this structure is called, the below structure is called the substructure. So what is the substructure? Substructure is the structural component of land and offshore rig which support the derrick or the mast. Okay, this is the supporting of the entire derrick or the mast and all the equipments which are hanging in the mast, and the other equipments which are on the rig floor. For example, the draw works, okay, draw works, the rotary table, okay, the winch, okay, the driller's cabin and the doghouse, okay, and iron roughneck. So it's a very important structure and part of any drilling rig. The substructure is very important. So the substructure is the structural component of land and offshore rig which support the derrick or mast or other rig components, as well as providing the storage space below the main deck. Its substructure provides the fundamental foundation for the entire drilling rig. This robust structure is typically composed of steel and supports the heavy weight of the derrick and the mast, along with the draw works and the associated equipment. The substructure may also provide space for equipment such as the rotary table, the wellhead, because there's a wellhead, and the well control equipment. It means the BOP. Okay, BOP is located here. So it's very important and very strong steel manufactured item of the rig. Conductor casing. Conductor casing and the conductor pipe are the same thing in an oil or gas rig. Conductor casing is a large diameter pipe. That's the first layer of the casing. Okay, that is the first layer of the casing in a well, installed in a well. It's typically shorter than the surface casing and can extend 80 to 150 feet below the Earth's surface. So the first casing is conductor casing, then surface casing, then intermediate casing, then production casing. So the conductor casing is the first casing of a well, and it also, the conductor casing supports the the wall of the well, to prevent the wall from the cave in. And second, the contamination of the water also, it prevents the water from contamination. Drill string, okay, it's a very important element of a rig. This is the image what we are having. This is complete image. This is a drill string. A drill string is a column. Why? Because it says vertical. A drill string is a column that transmits drill fluid via the mud pump and the torque via the either Cayley drive or top drive. Here I want to tell you that from the rotating point of view, the rig is of two types, either Cayley drive or either top drive. But the modern rigs are equipped with the top drive. Okay, so when the drill string is torqued, that is, or rotated actually, so that is either from the Cayley drive or either from the top drive. Okay, if it is rotated by the Cayley drive, it means the Cayley drive and rotary table rotating the drill string. And if that rig is top drive rig, then it means that drill string is being torqued or rotating by the top drive to the drill bit. The drill string is hollow, okay, so that the drilling fluid can be pumped down through it and circulated back up the annulus. Drill string is the combination of what the things which makes the drill string. So let's see, the drill string is the combination of drill pipe, heavyweight drill pipe, HWDP in short, drill collars, bottom hole assembly, and the drill bit. This all the combination item makes a drill string. Now the drill bit. See, this is an image of a drill bit. There are very small other parts in the drill bits. What is drill bit? A drill bit is a cutting tool. It is used to cut or crush rock and create holes in the earth's crust. Drill bits are usually located at the bottom of the drill string. The last item of the drill string is the drill bit. Okay, below the drill collar and the drill pipe. They are often made of hard materials like steel, tungsten carbide, and synthetic or natural diamonds, and have sharp teeth, which creates the hole in the earth, in the soil, in the rock. Bottom hole assembly. It is said in short BHA, and BHA stands for bottom hole assembly, and bottom hole assembly is a part of the drill string. Okay, but here we are seeing what exactly the BHA, what is bottom hole assembly. A bottom hole assembly is a component of a drilling rig. It is the lowest part of the drill string, extending from the drill bit to the drill pipe. The assembly can consist of drill collars, stabilizers, reamers, shocks, hole openers, the bit sub and bit, and mud motor in certain cases. So this is the definition of the bottom hole assembly. Now the stand. See, stand. What is stand actually? There is, in last video I said stand pipe. The stand pipe is a different thing, okay, and the stand is a different thing. Stand pipe is a rigid pipe which is attached to the side of the derrick, and that is a part of the mud circulating system. But this stand is a different thing, and we will see. A stand of the drill pipe is a unit of 2 or 3 connected joints of the drill pipe. Whenever the rig crew joins 2 drill pipes or 3 drill pipes, and that is called the stand. The connection of 2 drill pipes or 3 drill pipes, or the joint of 2 drill pipes or 3 drill pipe, is called stand. A stand of drill pipe is a unit of 2 or 3 connected joints of the drill pipe that are stood vertically in a drilling rig's derrick. Stands are usually used during the tripping pipe operations because it makes the work fast and easy and safe. So thank you very much for your time, and I will share the link of other videos of other in which the mention the rig equipment locations in the rig image and the series of previous rig equipment definitions. So please watch my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your time.